Recording. Guess what? Today's November 29th, 2010, and we need the shovels because today is Vermilion's first blizzard. Let's get out here and shovel. Woohoo! Hi, Crashy. Hey, what are you guys doing? We're just gonna walk around the blizzard. Woohoo! Now we're under the trees. This is the big, beautiful tree that I see whenever I look out my living room window, which is right over there. And here's a grill that we can cook hot dogs on in the summertime. And there's a picnic table. And this stuff right here is it's a place for water to go down, but people ride their bikes down these things all the time. It's really fun. There's lots of kids around here. Look at this. Woohoo! Yep, it's been snowing all day long. Really neat. And for some reason it's making me sing that song. Uncle used to love me, but she died. Chicken ain't chicken till it's licking good fried. Keep on the sunny side. My uncle used to love me, but she died. Well, I sure could use a little help here. And I have your shovel. I found it. There it is. And there's Daddy's shovel. And then there's my pinwheel. I love that pinwheel. And there's my living room window. We've had that sheet for a long, long time. It's got the animals on it and the flamingos and giraffes and stuff. Well, supposedly we have to shovel off our sidewalks or else we get charged $10. This is kind of a tough place to live here. They have all kinds of unusual rules here. You know, if I wanted to have a pet here, I have to pay a deposit of $750? I find that hard to believe. I see lots of people with little dogs and cats, and I see cats in windows, and I just can't see people paying $750. But who knows? They know I want to get a Yorkie. One thing handy about this is I don't really have very much sidewalk. That's okay with me. Look how lovely it is. So I put this towel on Crashy so I don't have to clean off the windshield tomorrow. Stay there, towel. That way tomorrow morning when I get up when I leave at 5:30 in the morning, I won't have to clean off my windshield. I had an opportunity to get this painted, but I just can't bring myself to do it. I just like that black fender. Yeah, it's my black fender, man. Crashy, you're just a goof. Well, I'll upload this to YouTube and I'll send it to you. 5:13, that's Daddy. I wish I could see you soon. I'd love to give you a big hug, and I wish you could be here with me and, you know, make snowballs and stuff. Crashy, you want me to throw it at you? Yeah, throw it at me. Nice shot. Okay, I'll talk to you guys all later. I love you very, very much, and I miss you very, very much.